So we are going to see the sticky section feature, which is a pretty useful feature when it comes to, let's say, using the timers, call to actions, and any other prominent thing that you want to have sticky in some other, some place on your page. So for example, this is a page in which we have made this timer call to action, right? And if I scroll down, so if you will see, the timer is gone. But let's suppose I want to have this timer visible to my viewers all the time. So what I need to do is, I need to go to this section, go to the settings, click over here, background, and in the sticky, you can make it sticky, let's say on top, either on top or on bottom, right? And then you click on publish. Alright, let's go to the publish URL. Okay, and let's have a look at this. Do you see? Even if I scroll down, this thing is sticky right over there. This is not moving, right? However, in the earlier version of the page, this thing was moving. But now I can make it sticky in this version of the page with the sticky settings, right? So you can have a section sticky at the top, at the bottom, and you will have your prominent things visible to them all the time, right? So yeah, pretty useful feature for increasing and enhancing the conversions of your page.